Maurice's 75 Vet. He's got a nice little list together of things that need to be done. I mean, it's got some custom stuff. It's got some stock stuff. It's got some questionable stuff. Like electric fans with a nice shroud, with a really nice radiator. But that's still here. That doesn't make a lick of sense. It does run hot. It was 2:30 when he got here. He drove it over this morning. And it heat soaked up to about 260 while he was here when we had it off. And I just had it on again. I didn't light it, but it was almost 200 still. So going through, gonna start checking things out. First order of business, mechanical fan is going bye-bye, because that's completely not needed. And then I gotta check the polarity on the electric fans, make sure they're working, and then try to keep this thing under control temp-wise. All right, so we got the fan out. I'm gonna put nice shorter bolts in up here, solve that issue, and we'll go from there. Okay, before I go any further, this water pump, it looks like it's been rebuilt or resealed a bunch of times. It's like got silicone bomb. Not good. I mean, water pumps are cheap for these cars. It's just a long, small block Chevy pump. It's nothing special. And then this is like house plumbing shit. And then that's, honest to God, garbage disposal hose. And there's a wire here that goes to who the hell knows. It's supposed to be a ground, but it goes to nothing. Then I'm looking at our wiring for our fans. Oh, of course, this hood. What the? The relay is just kind of hooked and tossed over. And there's a connector down here. And then that's all Hot Mess Express onto the alternator. And we're not even going to get into wire nuts on a car. This isn't a 110 plug in your house in the wall. This is a car. We don't do these kind of things. Fuse to God knows what. Well, it's good, whatever it is. I'm sure it's for the fans, but I haven't got that far in testing yet. Fan wiring, beautifully wrapped around the sway bar, and then butt connectored, and there's a connector ain't even hooked up. Boy. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot more of a project than we initially thought, because we got random electrical connectors back here going to God knows what. Oh, look, another wire nut. And then it's got this silly Excel coil on the HEI. Got wire that's without fuse in it. Don't know where the other end is. Oh boy. Oh boy. And this thing is still hot. It is 8 minutes to 12. And this car came here 8:30. And I can still barely touch it. So I definitely want to do leak down, compression test, all this stuff. I want to fix all this plumbing. It's driving me insane. Yeah, and that's just in here. I'm not even going to start on the rest of the stuff yet. So we're going to get this figured out. I have a feeling this car is going to be here a little longer than a day or two, because there's a lot of stuff. I'm going to need to order some things, get some quotes together. But, I mean, the bones are good. I mean, it's got a Performer RPM manifold on it. It's got... What in the hell? Are you serious? Oh my god. That is not a vacuum cap. Oh god. Oh boy. Okay. So, this is literally first look, and I'm already making a long list of things to do.